Biker made a very good save. He should have applied the brakes earlier, but he assumed the driver was going to stop.
I'm good. What's with that bull? You could have killed me there. You don't give a shit.
I do.
You would have ended up with a little dent. I would have been. Just be careful.
I've been in a bad accident.
So you know how I feel.
I do.
Dum.
Oh, sorry, man.
No problem. Just be careful.
Biker got intentionally rammed after a slight road rage incident. Check it out. Fortunately, he managed to walk away without any major injuries.
Come, stop, dog, stop, it's an accident, stop, you eat me, I'm driving there, you come over, you eat me, come, I've got your register.
A drunk guy confronted this biker out of nowhere.
Hey, what's up?
Over there.
What?
Over there.
So then what about it?
I said over there right now.
Where? Like, what are you talking about?
What's wrong? Nothing.
So what are you
He's gonna
talking
wait now because he wanted to be in the first line.
What?
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
What are you doing?
You wanted to beat everybody,
Okay.
but yet you're still here.
Alright. I recorded that, so I'll put you online.
Yes, sir.
A little fun adventure for these bikers turned into a disaster very quickly.
Yeah.
How a moment of miscommunication can be very dangerous.
Bro, I can't even move my arm. You gotta watch braking like that, bro.
Sometimes it's bikers who make a stupid decision.
That guy liked what he saw.
This biker got caught doing a wheelie.
Insurance, I'm guessing? Yep, I figured. Alright, that's the new one.
You know it's illegal to go,
right? I know.
You got a camera on there?
It's not usually for dumb stuff, it's for when other cars come out in front of me.
Okay. So you're just excited about the weather?
Yeah, I just left school. I go to ECC, I just left class. I was on my way home.
You didn't see me sitting there?
If I saw you, that wheel would have been on the ground.
Alright,
Alright.
A few minutes later.
alright if I get off?
Yeah. Don't let me see you doing it again, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Alright.
Never again.
Did you know only a small percentage of you are actually subscribed? Hit that subscribe button, it's free, and thank you. Biker made sure to do everything in his power to save this cat.
Go in there, boy. No, don't go on the road. There you go.
Biker saw a truck literally dragging a person and thought it was a hit and run. He decided to chase the driver and confront him.
I'll get him! Pull over! Pull over! You were just dragging somebody! What do you mean, get out the truck? Why? Is he a crazy person? Is he crazy? Is he crazy? Okay, so you didn't hit him. Okay, alright. What the f? Alright. Okay, alright.
Biker's regular ride almost ended up hitting a jaywalker. He handled the situation very well.
Stop! 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 Hey, hey! Hey, what's wrong with you? I almost hit you. Why did you walk out in the middle of the street like that? Are you insane? Are you nuts?
Did you help with change? Babe?
You're crazy. You're really crazy.
Help with change, babe?
What? Did you see? You saw me coming.
You hit me.
Yeah. Why did you do that?
Shouldn't I come in? No one loves me.
What?
No one loves me.
Hey. It's okay. You know Jesus loves you. You know that, right?
Every day.
Yeah.
Jeferson.
I don't hate you. You just startled me really bad. I'm a new driver.
I didn't mean to start.
Yeah, you scare me.
I didn't mean to start you.
Okay.
Really?
You want something to eat?
No.
You sure? I'll give you something to drink.
Who do you think was at fault in this clip?
Okay, we'll let you hit a moose.
No, the thing is, you guys stopped and there's like 8 of us. What if we ran into you guys? Because you guys are stopped around a blind corner.
What if you guys would have run into one of them moose that was on the road?
I'll take a risk for a moose in a car.
Whoa, really?
Yeah. I
Sorry.
appreciate it because when I came around that corner, I had to slam on my brakes and it scared the shit out of me.
Yep. That's what we did.
All right, have a good
Be
day.
safe.
Bikers, whatever happens out there, it's not worth damaging someone's property. It also gives us a bad name. Don't react like this biker did. Make sure to control your emotions for your own safety.
Problem, mate? What's the problem? Yeah, your problem. I come around the corner and you sparked into me. What's the problem? No, you come over to the other side of the road, mate. You're smash your mate. Simple as that. You pull over to the other side of the road, mate. Use the mirrors. Take them off.
What do you think? Who would have won a race between these two?
Yo, what the fuck? Bro, come on. You gotta look. You gotta look. You have to look. You almost killed me. You gotta watch where you're going. You have to watch.
This biker was on a little solo adventure when he came across people who were in distress.
You guys okay? You guys need help at all, or?
They walked up to the campsite with certificate, truck down here.
Oh, okay.
I have no clue what we're doing.
Gotcha. Okay. Sorry, that sucks.
One ATV was completely dead and the other one was overheating.
Man, this car is pissing me off. Look, it's gonna have me off, look. Look at the old guy, look, he's just taking me in my own lane. This guy, this old guy, look. Look, he's just undertaking me in my own lane. You okay there? What are you doing? What's your problem? What? No, you come out. The road wasn't narrow until further down. Okay, I was in this lane, you just undertaking me in my own lane. Okay, I'm in this lane, you just undertaken me. Just give me a bit more space. Cocky piping.
If you ever come across someone who needs help, never pass by without offering it.
Above.
You locked your brakes in place? If I could. Oh. Thank you so much.
I just wanted to let you know that merch is now online. YouTube thinks you're going to enjoy this video.